Hi everybody, Salimah here at YogaVision. In just a few days time, we're going to be starting our YogaVision challenge. And we're going to be leveraging yogic technology to really establish a yoga practice. So you may or may not have already heard this, but it takes 40 days to establish a habit and then 90 days to confirm that habit. And so we're about to launch into a 90-day yoga challenge experience here at YogaVision. And here are some of the parameters around it. So number one, this is the honor system. So we're going to be here every day, Monday to Sunday, with classes available for you to come in and join us here live at the studio. If you happen to be traveling or for some reason can't make it here into the studio, make sure that you check out our social media because we'll be posting helpful tips, we'll be posting videos online, and also live classes. So you can participate anywhere you are in the world and still really get the benefit of having that regular daily practice. And with a daily practice, you have a whole bunch of things that happen. Number one, you feel better. Number two, mentally you stay more focused. And number three, feel better. And who doesn't want to feel better? So please join us for our 90-day yoga challenge. We look forward to seeing you here in the studio and also welcoming you to our celebration event. So stay tuned for more details about that.